This is the INIU P24 power bank and wall charger at the same time. In this video, we're gonna review it together and I'll be putting it to the test by charging my iPhone from 0 to 100 and seeing how much time it will take to charge it. And also I'll be performing a self-charging test. And of course, I'll be testing its wall charging capabilities, but most importantly, I'll be calculating its efficiency score. So this power bank has a capacity of 10,000 mAh and 45 watts if you're using it as a power bank, and if you use it as a wall charger, it will provide a maximum of 30 watts output. It has an attached USB-C cord, and also it has USB-C port on the top and a USB-A port here. And this is the on-off button, and also it has an LCD display, and as you saw in the introduction, it has also an integrated wall plug, and it is highly portable because it is light and it is only 224 grams. So now let's start the tests. There are two ways in which you can charge the power bank. Either you plug the attached USB-C cable to a USB-C port of any charger, or you can plug it directly in a power outlet using its connectors that are integrated here. So now I'm gonna charge it using a USB-C charger, this one here, that can provide up to 140 watts, and the power bank cannot take more than 30 watts. So I'm gonna plug it, and then we're gonna put the timer and see how much time it will take for it to charge from 0 to 100. So see here, it is 0%. So let's wait for it to charge completely. And notice how it is drawing 32 watts, and this is true to the documentation. As the power bank is filling up, it is at 43% now, and after 38 minutes, notice how the wattage that it draws drops significantly, and this is to protect the battery. So it took the power bank 2 hours and 3 minutes to charge from 0 to full using the attached USB-C cable, and the charging consumption varied from 32 watts at the beginning to 2.4 watts at the end. The next test I'm doing has two purposes. The first purpose is to see how much time it will take to charge my iPhone 12 Pro Max from 1% to full, and the second purpose is to see how much charging power it will remain in the power bank, knowing that it is at 100% when I start the charging. So let's start the test. And notice when the charging is happening rapidly, there's a lightning symbol here on the top. And I remind you that the battery of the iPhone has a 3687 mAh capacity. It took the power bank 2 hours and 15 minutes to charge the iPhone from 0 to 100%, and it still has 46% charging capacity remaining. So using this capacity that is remaining and the total capacity of the power bank and the iPhone and the status of the battery of the iPhone that is now at 88%, we're gonna calculate the efficiency of this power bank. So let me show you the battery health of the iPhone. So let's do the efficiency calculation. To calculate the efficiency score, we need first to determine how many mAh did the power bank consume to charge the iPhone. So the power bank is 10,000 mAh. We need to multiply it by the percentage consumed by the power bank. So it was remaining 46%. It means it consumed 54%. So we need to multiply it by 0.54. So the power bank consumed 5,400 mAh to charge the iPhone that has a battery capacity of 3,687. But the battery life is at 88%. And also we're gonna take a 10% margin of the efficiency of the iPhone. So let's calculate how many mAh did the power bank provide to the iPhone. So 3,687, gonna multiply it by 1.12. So this is the percentage of the maximum capacity of the battery. And then also we're gonna multiply it by 1.1. So this is the 90% efficiency of the battery. This is theoretical. So times 1.1. So we have 4,542.38 mAh that were given to the iPhone. So now we need to get the percentage of 5,400. So let's divide it by 5,400 and then multiply it by 100. And the efficiency score is 84.1, and this is a very good score. The last test I'll be doing is testing this power bank / charger with its second function, which is the charging function. So I'm gonna plug it to a power plug here, and then I'm gonna charge this big power bank here And this power bank has a screen that will tell us what is the maximum charging that this power bank is giving it. So it should give around 30 watts. So let's wait. So yeah, it's giving, as you see here, it's giving almost 30 watts, 31 watts. So this is true to the documentation. And I wanted to tell you a very important thing is that while the power bank is working as a charger, it cannot charge itself. Now the second test I'll be doing is that I'm gonna charge my MacBook also at the same time to see how it will divide the power. And I have this cable that has a power gauge here. So I'm gonna hook the cable to the USB-C port of the power bank. And when I put it in the MacBook, we're gonna see how it will divide the power. So now it will gonna cut a little bit. So see, it cut a little bit so that it divides the power. And now it's giving the device 9 watts. And let's see how much it is giving the MacBook. So it is giving the MacBook 8 watts only. So when you divide it, it will go way below 30 watts. So let me remove it from here to see if it will give the MacBook 30 watts. And yes, it is giving the MacBook 27 watts, which is close enough to 30 watts. As you saw in my video, this power bank / charger from INIU works very good in both the charging capacity and the power bank capacity. What I like about it is that it is slim and portable. It has everything you need in one device. So it has a power connector here, and also it has an integrated USB-C cord. What I would have liked it to have more is that I would have liked it to charge itself also when it is working as a charger. But I think this is asking too much from a small device like this. And also I don't like that INIU says that it is a 3-in-1 device, where in my opinion it is 2-in-1 device, charger and power bank only. Now if you want to check it out, I'm gonna leave an affiliate link in the description. If you make a purchase using my link, I'll gain a small percentage at no cost to you, and this will support my channel. And if you like my video, please share it, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. I'm Eloy from Stuff Around the House. I want to thank you all for watching, and see you in the next video.